누가 수진이 로저다나 나오는 나도 전소한데 근데 나 뒤다고 저기도 연락 좀 받아 숨기면 계속 시작되어요. 가이스나 상장 배송선에 토사야 이거자야 여 보내 본드야 사마로 연락 인벤토리 우요래. 근데 아저씨를 slaap이나 안녕이나 야라마는 예수면 주로는 방문자로라 현장이 야라마이 사사니에 있어서 선지비를 거기 준비되어 들어가는 그런데 애는 다만 파일 선전 탐지 그런데 애는 연락좀 뭐 저기 여서 뭐 저기 연락좀만 지다니 메라 망고요 진미세 나는 소매 연락좀 말에 이간에 슬라이나 연락되기는 담보지 근데 디와샤리 연락인가래 또 시단되면 보내는 나는 문제 네 다다바도 엔체베 디원이게 왜 치사와 들어서는라 그래서 잡을게를 보내 근데 샤바치야 돼 연락 담보래 연락 시간이나 네, 연락 가만히 다 자주 있으면 이슈는 이유는 무슨 자주 있어. 내가 이제 멤버스한테 멤버스 이유는 멤버스에서 멤버스에서 나가는 지시였으나 그 사기 선제하는 있던 사기 보면 더 지만은 진짜 가봐서도 사람 사람들이 남자 체제 단들이 사기의 주소라더니 때문에 남자 체제 선제 탐지기 편도 사기 고만 더 진행해 타버셔리 인사를 탐지를 때려야 근데 무슨 넘버 선제스 근데 주과 선제스 넘버 선제로 좀 마세베 근데 사기 고만 거야 넘버체로 좀 마이베 근데 뭐서 그래다 남는 주네 람 멤버체로 하고도 심바 주다 제일 멤버십은 누구는 실라 소바 간다야 더 자주서 매저가 잡다 보려는데 내가 이제 주의해 삼아 제 밤새 세번 주었을 게서 애는 뒷발이 모아인다 다들 이거 샤바다 여러 저기 일하러 소바 제발 때는 주에 그래서 파트너가 여러 대다 담제 근데 나가 담제 뭐 저거선이 유구마는 좀 처음에 시도 근데 뭐지야 어떻게 이제 얘랑 좀 보세요 이제 근데 이제 얘랑 좀 보세요 이제 뭐 로라 대심에 더네 근데 이제 나로나 so now we have to do what is called the sevenfold prayer. This sevenfold prayer is very important because through the sevenfold prayer you purify the negative deeds and also accumulate the merits and also it increases the virtuous deeds. So therefore it is very important. And so there's sevenfold. The number one is to confess all the negative deeds that we have committed from the beginning last time until now, with a full remorse. And then second is to rejoice all the virtuous deeds without any kind of jealousy or on the absolute Buddha. And then fourth one is to take refuge in the Buddha Dharma Sangha. Buddha is our guide, Dharma is our actual path, and Sangha is our companions. And then fifth one is Viramita Bodhicitta, which also has two kinds, the wishing Bodhicitta and entering Bodhicitta. Bodhicitta means actually enlightenment mind. So for the sake of all sentient beings, wish to attain the enlightenment is called the wishing bodhicitta, wishing enlightenment mind. And this if we can make a promise, we make a vow in front of Buddha that today I took the vow to attain the full enlightenment for the sake of all sentient beings. And then it's the creating the wishing bodhicitta. And then the sixth one is entering enlightenment mind, which means not only wish, but actually entering the path of bodhisattvas. So this is called entering enlightenment mind. This as we made a vow, not only wish, but also vow to enter the actual path of bodhisattvas. And then the last one, the seventh one, is to dedicate the merits. So with this, to enormous merits that we have obtained through conversion, rejoicing, and taking refuge and creating enlightenment mind. So with this, that you enormous merits that we have obtained through the power of these merits, may I attain the enlightenment for the sake of all sentient beings. It's a dedication. So with these 7 things in mind, that you repeat after me the 7th form prayer. Yala Jibati Jendu Kujo Sula Sajechi Nigwa Tamje Sodusha Goe Gera Jera Sanje Chanju Indifu Sanje Shodan Sojola Anju Bhagda Jasuji Rashe Dende Rajuji Sanju Sende Yeraji Sanju Chogu Sende Yene Sanje Namje Dhagri Jondanya Sanju Chojo Yon Javaji Nola Pinja Sanye Ruvasho Kunjo Suma Danyuji Diwa Tanje Sososha Goe Gela Jera Sanye Sanju Yijisum Sanye Shodan Sojola Sanju Bhakta Jatuji Rashen Dende Rajuji Sanju Semne Javaji Sanju Chogu Semne Yene Sanje Namje Dhagri Jondanya Sanju Chojo Yon Javaji Yola Pinja Sanye Ruvasho Kunjo Sula Danyuji Diwa Tamje Sososha Goe Gela Jera Sanye Sanju Yijisum Sanye Shodan Sojola Sanju Bhakta Jatuji Rashe Dende Rajuji Sanju Semne Javaji Sanju Chogu Semne Yene Sanje Tamje Dhagri Jondanya Sanju Chojo Yon Javaji Yola Pinja Sanye Odatu Jayala Tibachevar Dene, any Jamru Damba Toguyore, and the Sanju Semjeval, and Sanju Sembe Damba Toguyore, and the vacation Bore, that's a gate there. There is on Mishijama, the Bayan and then the Raja number 1 Chibete, Uru Java, Baja Service, Sunday, Vadijan, Lolo, and engaging you. Jam Vata, Nipuna Manga, Jato, Tajama, Yesha, Raja, Jaya Suna Doji Pana Paradiya Suna Dindu Dundu Kishana Bajami and Ruji Namu Nimugana Tasha Ruji Jamba Ishi Member Ruji the Shubu Abil Bugana the Troju Sujan Tavapati Members in the Chan of Loba Ampurata Simete Guru Samato Jabba So now the main part of the initiation is that you visualize in front of you the Master Kangong Gyalpo, who has white hair, white beard, looks like 100 years old, wearing a white robe, and then on top of him, Buddha Amitabha in Buddha's form, holding the begging bowl filled with the nectar, and then in his throat has a high Griva, rock today the high Griva, the red color, holding the lotus stick and skull cup, adorned with all the rockwool ornaments and clothes. And then in his heart has a Gurukana Sambhava with a lotus head and right hand Vajra, left hand holding the skull cup filled with the nectar and long life vase, and wearing the robe. As you know, the Guru Sambhava here we have the Hanga here, just like him in his heart, and surrounded with all the lineage gurus, tutelary deities, Buddhas, Bodhisattvas, Shavakas, Pranjaka Buddhas, Dhamma protectors, Raptor deities, all of them. And then in front of this yourself with all sentient beings requesting to bestow the immortal long life city. So with this in mind, you repeat after me this prayer. 是是是，老太爷，如归之中，他把那个绕了前面的三经万年，主要反正是咱们中呢，你对主要讲，康东家务，说的罗呢，说的说，感觉把这说。 今天老师，前面我就做，是，老太爷，如果就是中，7万那个，做了前面的，3年完结，主要反正是咱们中呢，一直主要讲，康庄家务，说的罗呢。 说的说，感觉把这说，今天老师，前面不是说，是，老太爷，如果就是中，7万那个，中了前面的，3经完结，主要把这是，咱们中呢，一对主要的，康东家务。 说的罗呢，说的说，感觉把这说，今天老师，前面不是说，他给他在这属于个孙子家长的算自己说的，现在起码他把孙子家长的算，现在因为现在他这个现在我要嘛，他看着这么一了。 Any logic to what is on the So this is the prayer that I said if you recite it 100 times a day, then one will live 100 years. But there's no commitment as such. You don't have to do it. But if you do it, if you recite it, this prayer is very important because everyone wants long life. Nobody wants to die. Everyone wants to live a very long life and healthy life. For this, you have to pray Buddha Mitayus. Buddha Mitayus prayer in this. And then to overcome the obstacles, the high river, the road to high river is the best deity to pacify all the obstacles. And then the Guru Dhamma Sambhava, through his blessings, through his guidance, then Buddhism came to Tibet and maintained and continued and up until now. So all the Buddhas are same in terms of wisdom, compassion, and power. But if we have a karmic connection, if we have a karmic link, then it is much more easier. So we, all the Tibetans, as well as the Himalayans, and all the people who entered in the Tibetan Buddhism had very special karmic connection with the Guru Dhamma Sambhava. So the Guru Dhamma Sambhava, if we pray to him, especially in this critical time, in this particular time, there's no other Buddha who can bestow us such a blessing quickly as the Guru Dhamma Sambhava. So therefore, the Guru Dhamma Sambhava is also here. And then Mahasiddha Kampong Gyalpo is the Tibetan's own Mahasiddha, great and renowned, and he's all respected and recognized by all the Tibetan Buddhism. So his prayer is also there. And then no matter how long you live, after all we have to die. One day we have to die. So when we die, we all wish to be born in Sukhavati, the Buddha Amitabha's Ram. So Buddha Amitabha's prayer is also here. So therefore this prayer is for this life, for future life, in between, all the time, to fulfill your wishes and to pacify the obstacles. Everything is included in this prayer. So there's no commitment to do it every day, but if you do it, if you recite it, it is a great benefit. Now is the mantra. Mantra also this one, 1,000 times. If you recite 1,000 times, then mantra 1,000 times and prayer 100 times, then you will live 100 years. Om Amarani, Jivinda, Gurugana Kota, Pinijana, Ayusidi, Shiji, Om Amarani, Jivinde, Gurugana Kota, Pinijana, Ayusidi, Shiji, Om Amarani, Jivinde, Gurugana Kota, Pinijana, Ayusidi, Shiji, Koda Dajing Shiva, Sunday Jata, Na Tonga, the Jalasan, Na Tanjandi Shivata, Sunday and Tanjandi Shivata, Tini, Miseria, Karen, Hamza says, Shiva, the Yomanina, the Jamaina, in the deep must be Shiva. How is there? In the High Salam, Kamal, Seven would do Seven book on the Savannah, so the Savannah Sunday with Tina, and the Tavana say, Patricia, Dengi Patricia, and then Naram Javier. That's Patricia was the trade of Tanding the High on Martin, trade of Tanding Sunday and Jelly. And then the Guru Musheta, just Sunday Tamara. Kevin is there to Devil Chile, Kevin Yamardi, Yamaraki, that another with joy you make it on there, and then Kevin will do it. The Guru Visita has to begin and then come to Samano. We say the Guru Visita, no man in the negative Hamza, you are Kaisna, Guru is physical and then the bell, the sunny, Tabakarade. Never. Nana Inaya, Gurjana, the Dika in the Sagi Share, who is Guru Musi, the day is on the Guru Musi, saw the Gation Musi, and the Guru Musi Sunday and Nina, and the town lord Yamata, the girl army, to the Teme Yonga, to the Chugudis Master, to the Putse, not the days of the Teme Yonga, to do somebody. He will only Sunday and Nina Sunday, and then Namchi in Ten Hadder in Namchi Sigurd mother. Here the Mashima Demi says, Sunday, your mother. In the city of the Yakan Tower, Rasiana, and the Dawson Dare and Nolan Javier, Dawson Dare and the Javier. Today is the Dawson the Chamber, Congo Valley, so after it. Came to Congo Valley, Sunday and Dina, Sunday. So the name is this Sunday, and it under the Jeep Pato. Sunjaya, they were flower to Yama, they is the next character, the third way back. The direct mention where you are it. Now, no, they never do the London and go to the bottom of the ball. And then you can only the suggestion is much about there, Congo, the Dawson is on the shoe, Congo, about the melon, founded the thing from the bottom of the shoe. Then they go, but I is about to know the number of a city, 근데 주제 자서바로 소원은 그 유고 그다음에 그거는 돈이 주면 이제 뭐 이만 남아 그가도만 되지면 되나 되면 남은 제한도 되잖아 뒤에서 버리고 그거는 뭐 도서를 가봐 먼저 정보를 상관하지 쓰는 때문에 심해서 모두 말을 of the initiation is this is called the long life fast. From this many righteous issues and brings back all your lost life and merit, wisdom, vitality, and also the vitality of the four elements, all the sentiments, everything is brought here, and then it became nectar and overflows, and nectar overflows and came right on top of your head. And through the crown, it enters into your body, so your body filled with nectar, immortal nectar. And so that you gain immortal life, never aging body, and not without dying. So you do this visualization. Now you need the Vajra lesson. Instead of coming individually to here, while everyone sitting comfortably, and then I receive the particular blessings. Vajragila is very special in our tradition. So, in this very critical time, in this difficult time, to overcome all obstacles and to fulfill all your wishes so that everyone can enjoy the peace, happiness, joy, prosperity, so that so everyone should pray for this. Om Zumba De Zumba Om De Om Grana Grana Om De Om Grana Grana Om De Om Grana Grana Om 你们这是放天生些是给什么人家放那个什么，现在就是他们了，就是那么就是身体上的习惯，这嘛是给什么都，这就话应该这个他们这样在那个规划的，现在把他们下面些，那么人家他们下面的用这用原来些差不多，因为身体上的下面的电子物理啊，那你的机器用个的，他们家那个年吧就是这样，这就是他们身体上的这个这种接触就，现在设计的蛮多，基本上的，这个他们都差不习惯这种接触的多，差不没了。他说了，让这个，接着行业在那个，现在主要是这边的考虑条件，然后是他们那个现在我们差不多这样，那我们是可以不搞的，比如能户，全部是他们这么些，这一点各个不是，这个现在是那个各个哪些，这一点呢，咱就说是。那这个啥么子？当然呢，基本上那主要是的，然后就跟叔叔的那主要是的，他们都看不起我，这嘛是干什么的？这到他们都全部也不喜欢，除非区域到的下面的，然后他们都这么都是进入下来的地方，这样的些。里面嘛那些下面那个，他们老电机过，材机过，土星机过，发热机过，煤油机过，他们机构解决了，这一知道的，这知道的，全部，那个现在全部的发展是国家人民上的当，给解决那个发展主要是煤油主要是也是没有的。这个他们真不习惯，这么是这种，这样子，那些你些给加些他们做的，假如那些那这个东西全部那些，卡了毛毛那样的，人的一级面积，假如卡了的大什么的是，看那些个上面有，如果说那个搞，你那的，假如不是给搞了，看那个现在。那你也别搞呢，路上谢，那人家搞不这么就没有了呢，你搞不这是一样的嘛？那这么就没了，还这么样去，他们用这种现在呢，在那边干出来哪就学习用了，那边干出来哪就现在学用了，那边干出来哪就创啥呀用了，这个在。
Tumio Thank you.